Every product you order takes a journey. Behind the scenes, a network of people, processes and technology work in harmony. Welcome to Aaj Kolkata Warehouse, a 50,000 square feet, tech-enabled powerhouse designed to streamline omni-channel supply chains for businesses in India. The warehouse is located at Sirampur. Our warehouse is 13 meters high, and the vertical space is maximized using racks and material handling equipment from certified vendors. A well-structured warehouse is the foundation of scalable supply chain management. Large shipments are stored at bulk locations for efficiency, while loose storage ensures quick access for fast order fulfillment. Following the 5S methodology, every item has a place. Every employee follows a process, and cleanliness is a priority. The journey begins the moment a shipment arrives from our customers. Inward processing guarantees that every carton is carefully checked for weight accuracy and tagged with a unique barcode, providing complete visibility and control throughout its movement inside the warehouse. Once received, every shipment goes through a detailed segregation and inspection process. Associates use barcode scanners to verify each item. Damaged stock, if found, is carefully identified and segregated to prevent it from entering the saleable inventory. Only verified and intact items move ahead. Every carton is labeled with a put-away sticker that carries a unique ID and storage details. Whether it's bulk or loose, our team scans each location and item while placing it. This process helps the right product reach the right shelf without error. Regular stock counts are part of our process, helping confirm that the inventory in the system matches what's physically present. Whether it's manual or system-driven using scanners, every count is detailed, traceable in the WMS, and tied to associate IDs. We also conduct blind counts, where associates verify stock without knowing the system quantity in advance. This prevents bias and helps us catch variances due to handling errors, theft, or process gaps, all before they impact order fulfillment. Once an order is received in our system, a pick slip is generated, detailing exactly what needs to be picked, from where, and in what quantity. The associate starts with loose picking, collecting individual items from shelf locations based on system instructions on scanners. For bulk orders, associates pick boxes directly from the bulk storage locations. Each box is matched and verified using barcode stickers before being moved for packing. WMS Intelligence matches the pack size with the order quantity to ensure fast and accurate picking. At the camera-enabled packing tables, every movement is recorded to maintain complete transparency and traceability for our clients. Each item is then verified by scanning it into our system once again. A crucial step that confirms what's being packed matches exactly what was picked. This step helps to catch any discrepancy before it ever reaches the customer. We use high-quality cartons selected as per order size, including reusable options to minimize waste. Our team carefully packs each order to keep it well protected, damage-free, and customer-ready. Before dispatch, every carton passes through a quality check. We start with weight verification. If there's any mismatch, our team opens the carton and scans each item again to confirm contents. Each carton is scanned and placed in its designated dispatch location inside the warehouse. This way, when the transporter arrives, every shipment is easy to locate, verify, and hand over, reducing delays and enabling smooth final mile execution. Once an order is packed and quality checked, it moves from our warehouse management system to our transport management system, Aaj Swift. Here, our dispatch team reviews the order details and selects the most suitable transporter based on destination, performance, and cost efficiency. For outstation deliveries or specific client instructions, we secure boxes using stretch or shrink wrap. Based on dispatch planning, our team retrieves shipments from the dispatch zone, ready for handover to transporters and delivery agents. Each carton is scanned in our system, generating a gate pass. Before dispatch, the carton count and weight are verified, and the gate pass is signed by the transporter, warehouse supervisor, and security guard. The cartons are carefully loaded, cross-checked with the gate pass, and sealed, ready to be dispatched to their destination. With every box scanned, secured, and signed off, the shipment is now officially dispatched, tracked from the first scan to the last mile. The ad system delivers full visibility and peace of mind. But what happens when products come back? Returns are often the most complex part of fulfillment. But at Aaj, they're handled with care. Each product is inspected on our camera-enabled tables for its condition. Based on the assessment, stock is marked as good or damaged. For sellers, every return is a potential loss. That's why we support them with accurate, verifiable claims under the Seller Protection Fund. Our system stores 90 days of return footage, making sure every claim, whether due to damage, fraud, or courier mishandling, is backed by evidence. More than just a logistical hub, Aaj, Kolkata warehouse pulsates with purpose to help growing businesses from India with global excellence in supply chain. A central node that supports seamless flow and unwavering reliability. Within these walls, our vision for an efficient supply chain comes to life, powered by a dedicated team orchestrating every movement with precision. This collaborative spirit, combined with advanced technology, guarantees your products are handled with expertise, delivering not just goods, but the promise of dependable operations for your business.